Hello, my dears. Good morning, everyone. I hope all are fine and we can start today's class. Okay. Yesterday, I had given the notes the absorbent mind and the unconscious mind, conscious mind. So, today we can discuss absorbent mind. The absorbent mind can be divided into a unconscious mind and conscious mind and conscious mind. So let's discuss the absorbent mind and this mind, unconscious absorbent mind and conscious absorbent mind. That is the today's topic. So yesterday you were read that, and I thought you have to read that like that. Okay, so first, absorbent mind. What is the absorbent mind? And the absorbent mind, what do you mean by absorbent mind? We already taken the sensitive periods. So in that sensitive periods, we inform that one absorbent mind will be there like that. So the absorbent mind, the sensitive periods describe the pattern the child following to gaining knowledge of his environment. The absorbent mind, on the other hand, explains the process by which a child gains knowledge from his environment. That is absorbent mind. What is the absorbent mind? The sensitive periods, because we already know the sensitive periods. These sensitive periods describe the pattern the child following gaining knowledge, whatever gaining knowledge of his environment. In that environment, the child will get some knowledge he will get. That is, the absorbent mind, on the other hand, explain the process by which a child gains knowledge from his environment. In the child will get gains knowledge from his environment. That is an absorbent mind. He will get or he will gain the knowledge from his environment. That is absorbent mind. uh, I thought you understand what is the absorbent mind. Simply we can say the process by which the child gains knowledge from his environment. That is absorbent mind. In every child they will get in the every child from his environment, from her environment, the child will gains knowledge. Okay. And some points in the absorbent mind. Birth to 6 year child's mind like a sponge. Sponge means, do you know what is sponge? Okay, kids are capable of absorbing huge amount of information about the environment through their senses. Language acquisition, development of motor, cognitive and social skills, these are all the points. Simple point, you have to read this and you can write it in your notes also. Birth to 6, child's mind like a sponge. Kids are capable of absorbing huge amount of information about the environment through their senses. Okay, and we see that the development of the hand is connected with the development of the intelligence in man. And if we look at history, it is connected with the environment of civilization. That is also absorbent mind. In the Montessori said that we see that the development of the hand is connected with the development of the intelligence in man. And if we look at history, it is connected with the development of civilization. That also we discuss that same, the process by which the child gains knowledge from his environment. That is a simple sentence. The process by which the child gains knowledge from his environment. That also we can say the absorbent mind. These also we discuss about that absorbent mind. And the last topic, also the last point, birth to 6 years, that also we connected, we discussed the absorbent mind. Anyway, the absorbent mind can be divided into two. What is that? Unconscious absorbent mind and conscious absorbent mind. That also we can discuss unconscious absorbent mind, conscious absorbent mind. Unconscious absorbent mind we can divide 0 to 3 years, and conscious 3 to 6 years. That also we can discuss what is unconscious mind, what is conscious mind. And the Maria Montessori said that the child creates his own mental muscles, using for this what he finds in the world about him. We have named this type of mentality the absorbent mind. That also the Maria Montessori said for us. We can discuss these matters. The child creates his own mental muscles. Mental muscles means in his own development, his own muscles development, using for what he find in the world about him, because that is the environment. We have named this type of mentality the absorbent mind. The child creates his own mental muscles from his environment. That also we can mentality type of mentality, that is also absorbent mind. So absorbent mind we can, moreover we can discuss the whole personality development, and the child will learn, the child will get the knowledge from his environment. That also Maria Montessori said this absorbent mind. This also one of the important matter, that the child creates his own mental muscles, using for this what he finds in the world about him. We have named this type of mentality, that is also the absorbent mind. She said that. Who said that about absorbent mind? The Maria Montessori, the founder of the Montessori system. She said that absorbent mind also create, we can do this way. Okay, then we can discuss next unconscious mind and conscious mind. From birth to 3 years, the child has an unconscious mind. That is a important matter. What is that? We can discuss that the conscious unconscious mind. What is that? Unconscious absorbent mind, that is 0 to 3 years. From birth to 3 years, the child has an unconscious mind. We can, if we have also children in our home, also children, and next year we are going to teach the students. So in this case, you don't forget that unconscious mind means 0 to 3 years. From 0 to 3 years means from birth to 3 years, the child has an unconscious mind. His mind is not formed yet. Okay, he learns differently from the adult. He learns differently from the adult. The adult has knowledge of his environment and on which to build, whereas the child has to start from nothing. It is the absorbent mind that allows him to absorb impressions from the environment unconsciously. That is unconscious mind. Birth to 3 years, that is the unconscious mind. In that mind, the child mind is not formed. Okay, the child mind is not formed yet, and he learns differently from the adult. He learns different from the adult. The adult has knowledge of his environment on which to build, that also that adult, but moreover the child has to start from nothing, because birth to 3 years. It is the absorbent mind that allows him to absorb impressions from the environment unconsciously. That is the unconscious mind. For example, I'm going to say that the tiny child's absorbent mind finds all its nutriment, its surroundings, especially at the beginning of life. We can say by absorbing what he finds in the world as a whole, then analysis. The child creates his own mental muscles using for the what he finds in the world about him. That also we can discuss the class. What are all the things she absorb in the unconscious mind? Okay, the birth to 3 years. Through this process, the child incorporate the knowledge or impression into his psychic life. Psychic means inborn life, okay, inborn development. And it is important to understand that impressions do not merely enter his mind; they from it the environment, and they form it and incarnate themselves at him. The knowledge a child absorb unconsciously, birth to 3 years, unconsciously prepare the child's mind, and the time also. It will be used by his conscious mind, and the unconscious mind is succeeded by conscious process which slowly awakens and takes from the unconscious what it can offer. Okay, this child constructs his mind in this way. Slowly, he establishes memory, the power to understand, and the ability to reason. But by the age of 3, the unconscious preparation necessary for later development and activity is established. The child now embarks on a new mission, the development of his mental functions before 3 years. Okay, before 3 years. Before 3, the functions are being created. After 3, they develop. That is the important uh, process. Okay, you don't think more. It is a simple method because birth to 3 years means we can divide the birth to 3 years means unconscious mind. This unconscious mind, the child will learn different from the adult. The child will learn from the environment only. And we can divide the absorbent mind we can divide 0 to 6 years. Okay, 0 to 6 ഇയേഴ്സിനെ നമുക്ക് അബ്സോർബൻ മൈൻഡായിട്ട് കണക്കാക്കുമ്പോൾ വി ക്യാൻ ഡിവൈഡ് ടു മൈൻഡ്സ്, അൺകോൺഷ്യസ് ആൻഡ് കോൺഷ്യസ് മൈൻഡ്. സോ ഈ 0 to 6 ഇയേഴ്സിനെ വീണ്ടും വി ഹാവ് ടു ഡിവൈഡ് 2, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 0 to 3 and 3 to 6. I think you understand that. Okay, that is unconscious mind. Unconscious means 0 to 3, birth to 3 years, that they will absorb everything. And in the conscious mind, the unconscious mind, they will develop all the psychic development. And before 3 years the functions are being created only, and after 3 only they develop. That is a conscious mind. That is we can next one is conscious mind also. So, what is conscious mind? Conscious mind, from 3 to 6 years, the child continues to absorb knowledge, and this is also a period of self construction. It is important, self construction. Okay, however, the child is now conscious. Means conscious time means 3 to 6. He has a memory and has developed a will. Develop a will. Whereas in the first stage, that is 0 to 3, okay, 0 to 3, first stage means unconscious mind. Okay, unconscious mind, the child absorbs the world through his unconscious intelligence, merely by being moved about on it. Now then he takes is consciously using his hand. Okay, it is by means of work that he becomes conscious and develops himself by means of his hand. He learns writing, reading, fundamental ideas of number and letters and many other things spontaneously and without fatigue. Okay, that is the important things. ഈ കോൺഷ്യസ് മൈൻഡിൽ എന്താ, അൺകോൺഷ്യസ് മൈൻഡിൽ ഒരുപാട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ എന്താണ് കണ്ടിന്യൂ ആണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഈ 0 to 3 ഏജിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റേജിൽ എന്താ കുട്ടികൾ ചെയ്യുന്നത്, എന്താണ് കുട്ടികളുടെ അബ്സോർബ്? ദേ വിൽ അബ്സോർബ് ഹോൾ ദ വേൾഡ് ത്രൂ ദ അൺകോൺഷ്യസ് ഇൻ്റലിജൻസ്. Then they develop, then they what is that, creation, self construction. That is the 3 to 6 year. Okay, 0 to 6 years, 3 to 6 years, that is conscious mind. കോൺഷ്യസ് മൈൻഡിൽ എന്തൊക്കെ ചെയ്യും, അനാലിസിസ് ചെയ്യും, തിങ്സ് ആൻഡ് പ്ലാൻസ്, ഷോർട്ട് ടേം മെമ്മറി, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കോൺഷ്യസിൽ. ദെൻ സബ് കോൺഷ്യസ് ഓൾസോ ദേ വിൽ അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദാറ്റ് things we could be aware of he world of the red, and unconscious things we are unaware and cannot become aware of. we cannot aware of the unconscious mind. Okay, that is the different unconscious and conscious. Simply we can say unconscious mind എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഉപബോധ മനസ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ എന്നല്ല, ഉപബോധ മനസ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ കുറേ കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഇങ്ങനെ അബ്സോർബ് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. അത് കോൺഷ്യസ് മൈൻഡ് ആകുമ്പോഴാണ് നമ്മൾ അത് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക, ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് സെൽഫ് കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്. സിമ്പിളാണ്, അതിനെ നമ്മളൊന്ന് ഡീപ്പായിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞു എന്ന് മാത്രം. ഐ ഹോപ്പ് യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ് വെരി വെൽ. ദീസ് ആർ ഓൾ ദ പോയിന്റ്സ്. These are all the points we discussed, that absorbent mind, and we divide the absorbent mind. What is absorbent mind? ഒരു 0 to 6 ഇയേഴ്സിൽ ഉണ്ടാവുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങൾ അബ്സോർബൻ മൈൻഡ് കേട്ടോ. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഓൾസോ വി ക്യാൻ ഡിവൈഡ് ഇൻ ടു unconscious mind and conscious mind. Unconscious mind we can divide 0 to 3 and conscious mind 3 to 6. You have to write in your in the notebook, in the bracket also you can write the age also. And in between that, subconscious mind also. Interesting facts about the subconscious mind. It records everything, always alert and awake. It controls 95% of our lives. It's built on habituation. It speaks to you in dreams. It has no verbal language. It takes everything literally. It can do trillion things at once. It's not logical, it's the feeling mind. Okay, then the conscious mind, that is the conscious mind. And the absorbent mind is indeed as a marvelous gift to the humanity. By living and without the conscious effort, the individual absorbs from the environment even a complex cultural achievement like language. It is the essential mental from existed in the adult. How much easier would our study be? That also same as absorbent mind and conscious mind, conscious unconscious mind also. In between we can say subconscious mind also. These are all the points we already discussed in that. So simply you can understand what is absorbent mind and what are all the two types of absorbent mind, conscious mind, unconscious mind. What is the age of conscious and unconscious mind, like that. And in the child learns everything without knowing he's learning it. Then he's doing passes little by little from the unconscious to the conscious, trading always in the parts of joy and love. Okay, he learns everything without knowing he's learning it. ഒരിക്കലും അൺകോൺഷ്യസ് മൈൻഡിൽ എന്താണ്, he don't know I am learning. Okay, he don't know, he doesn't know I am learner. And doing his passes little by from the unconscious mind and the conscious also, always in the joy and love. And simply we can divide conscious mind, subconscious mind, and unconscious mind also. Conscious mind, the person is aware and he's thinking or acting deliberately, choosing one thought, actions, or object over another on the basis of information gathered from the environment. And same matter subconscious mind also, although the person may not be aware of the process, information from the subconscious constantly informs the person's conscious mind. And unconscious, we already discussed, the person is not aware of acquiring information but is mostly acting. That is the unconscious also. So what we reveal, that is conscious mind. What we conceal, that is subconscious and unconscious mind. Okay, I hope you understood. Simply we can see what we reveal, that is conscious. കോൺഷ്യസ് ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, സിമ്പിളായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ കോൺഷ്യസ് ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, വാട്ട് വി റിവീൽ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കോൺഷ്യസ് മൈൻഡ്. And what we conceal, that is unconscious mind also. So today we can wind up the session. Okay, I hope you understood all this topic, three topic, absorbent mind, conscious mind, unconscious mind. So I hope all are understood. If you have any doubt, you can connect with me and you can ask me, and you have to write all the notes and you can submit to me. And thank you all, and we can discuss next topic in next class. We can wind up this section. Okay, thank you.